Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Godefroy Professional Tint Kit Medium Brown 20 Count. My sister goes to a salon to get hers done, so doing this saves so much time and money for me. Now the developer is so thin it is like water, and the dye stains so badly even with two different dye removers it is almost impossible to remove the stain. Also note, medium brown is medium ash brown. It doesn't carry any red or warm tones which so many brown colors do. If you are oily skin type, then make sure you wash your eyebrow area with soap and then apply this product. Don't moisturize your skin before apply it. The tint works well and fast, but the color was more of a really dark brown, almost black, as opposed to medium brown. Worked great on one brow, but on the other it got a little splotchy. Unsure if it was my doing or the product didn't work well on my brow. Lol. It does dye your skin but rubs off in a day or two, so if you're looking for a product like that, this is not its purpose. Each capsule makes a good amount, so if they not dark enough when you wipe it off, you can easily reapply for a little longer. If the dye is really noticeable on some parts of your skin, take a Q-tip with some alcohol and rub it hard to even it out. The dye lasts about 2-3 days if you wash your face, and about a week if you remember to wash around your eyebrows. They are darker than you'd probably expect, so don't leave it on long, and the capsules are generally very hard to open, but the color payoff is always good. That ended up not being nearly long enough to 1. Get enough color, and 2. retain the color for more than a week. Third question of how often does the product need to be applied during the day? Not applicable to this product, which is an eyebrow tint. Try this tint kit before you decide to spend hundreds of dollars on microblading, not to mention you'd have to spend even more money on retouch. Take so much money. This kit is perfect, tints nicely, some splotchy bare spots but nothing some brow powder can't fix, and is so nice to your wallet in comparison to microblading. The tinting of the skin doesn't last that long, about 4 or 5 days, but that's me trying to wash everything but my eyebrows, and the hair tint lasts a while, about 2 weeks. The product was super easy to apply, didn't stain my skin, and tinted my brows to the perfect shade in 2-3 tries. However, once you mix the powder and developer, let it sit until desired darkness is achieved before applying to your eyebrows. It's also so cheap you can easily mix a new batch and do a second coat if you really want it. My eyebrows are so light blonde that they are almost completely invisible otherwise, even though my hair darken with age. Go figure. The packaging is very practical as it's single servings and it's a mess-free process. The kit comes with all tools needed. Super easy and turned out beautiful. Mixed it with a smidge of natural black and my client was really pleased. Would purchase again. Be careful not to leave it on your eyebrows for too long or you'll end up looking like Groucho Marx. It lasts for about 2 weeks as well and didn't irritate my sensitive skin. Came with tons of applications. This is going to last me for at least 6 months. So easy, which is good for someone who doesn't even know how to apply eyeliner. Great dark brown but not black. This stuff is amazing. The medium brown color was perfect. You could leave it on longer if you want a darker shade. The Q-tips made it easy to wipe away any extra mixture that spread too far and to help shape the brows. The skin beneath where you apply it only stays dyed for 1 to 3 days depending on how hard you scrub when you're re-washing your face. All you have to do is mix one of the tablets to the white paste, wait a little for it to turn dark brown. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.